Welcome to our online English class. Hope that you all are fine and safe in the blessings of Allah. In the previous lecture, we have completed the translation of unit number 4, Nasir in Trouble. Today, we are going to study the exercise. So, the first question is comprehension. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What kind of man was Uncle Sami? Uncle Sami किस किस्म के इंसान थे? Answer is he was a very jolly man. वो एक मज़ाहिया आदमी थे. Question B. Where was Nasir going when he met the little boy? नासिर कहाँ जा रहा था जब वो छोटे लड़के से मिला? Answer. नासिर was going to the शालीमार बाग. नासिर शालीमार बाग जा रहा था. Question C. Why was the little boy crying? छोटा लड़का क्यों रो रहा था? Answer is the little boy was crying because he had hurt his leg. क्योंकि उसकी टांग जख्मी हो गई थी. Question D. What did the dog do when the boy fell over? जब लड़का गिर गया तो कुत्ते ने क्या किया? Answer is the dog ran off down the road. कुत्ता सड़क पर भाग गया. Question E. Why did the crowd chase Nasir? हजूम ने नासिर का पीछा क्यों किया? Answer is they thought that he was a thief. उन्होंने सोचा कि ये चोर है. After the comprehension, the next question is working with words. Complete the following sentences in your own words. Nasir liked. Nasir liked to visit other cities. Nasir caught hold of the dog's leg. Nasir's uncle was a very good man. Nasir was frightened to see the crowd coming towards him. Next question. Rearrange the words in the following sentences. Sentence में इस statement को arrange करना है. Box in there lived mice are broken. 3 mice lived in a broken box. Under shelf box the box was under my shelf. The noise made mice something big. Sometimes the mice made a big noise. I told them to go away. A was box said they said that it was a nice box. Next, learning about language. Adjective. इसमें हमने T को प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना. Adjectives. Describing words are called adjectives. Describing words tell us about noun. So, examples: a stormy day, a bright face, an awful sound. Add adjectives to the following nouns. Write them in your notebook. Here are some words and we have to fill the blanks with some suitable adjectives. First is a dash house, a big house, a dash palace, a grand palace, a dash car, a fast car, a dash dog, a black dog, a dash torch, a big torch, a dash book, a good book. If there are two adjectives next to each other, we usually put a comma after the first one. अगर एक साथ दो एडजेक्टिव आ रही हों तो हमने एक के बाद उस पर कॉमा पुट करना होता है. जैसे कि एग्जांपल है ही वॉज अ टॉल, यहाँ पे कॉमा राइट करेंगे. स्ट्रॉन्ग मैन. टॉल और स्ट्रॉन्ग यहाँ पे दो एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. इसलिए हमने टॉल के बाद यहाँ पे कॉमा राइट किया. ऐड कॉमास टू दी फॉलोइंग. यहाँ पे आप कॉमा राइट करेंगे. द ओल्ड ग्रे ट्री वॉज डाइंग. ओल्ड एंड ग्रे आर टू एडजेक्टिव, सो we will put comma after old like this. The old comma gray tree was dying. Next is they live in a large modern house. Large and modern are two adjectives, so we will put comma after large. They lived in a large comma modern house. He drove a fast red sport car. Fast and red are two adjectives, so we will put comma after fast. He drove a fast, comma, red sports car. The room was dirty, dark and empty. Dirty, dark are two adjectives. The room was dirty, comma, dark and empty. So students, it was all your today's lesson. Hope that you have enjoyed. See you soon inshallah. Stay home, stay safe.